Hi, friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa Coward. Today's video is a clean with me, and today I am cleaning out my refrigerator. I did the freezer a few videos back, and if you didn't see that, I'll try to remember to leave a link below and in the cards above. But today we're going to do the refrigerator side. Now, let me say this. The shelves are not that bad because I make it a habit to clean out the refrigerator once a week. Every Saturday, I go through and take out any leftovers or anything that's spoiled. So the shelves, as you can see, they can use a little cleaning, but they aren't that bad. But the drawers and the door, the shelves on the door, are horrible. They don't get the same cleaning every week. So we're going to go through, this is the before, and we're going to clean this refrigerator out. We don't keep a lot of leftovers, as I said. We try not to waste a lot of food, and it's just two of us here. And we will stock up, like right now I need lettuce and tomatoes and that kind of thing, but I have eggs and I have yogurt and I have the milk and things that we actually need and that we keep all the time. So we're going to get started and we're going to clean everything out. And as you can see, I'm starting with the drawers. And I had some fun. I had some liners that I ordered at least 2 years ago and never used in the refrigerator drawers. I don't want colors on the shelves. So what I think I'll do is run to Dollar Tree and pick up some of the clear shelf liner, and I'll use that on the shelves, but I don't have it today, so we're going to go without it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and clean this refrigerator. So stick around and let's have some fun. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. We're so glad you're here. And if you are new and you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button below, and once you do, hit that bell as well so you'll be notified of all upcoming videos. If, however, you're one of my subscribers and ride or dies, you know how I feel about you. I love you, I love you, I love you. So, let's go ahead and you come on in and let's clean my refrigerator. Hey guys, we're getting there. This is a lot of cleaning, and I didn't mention what I'm cleaning the inside of the refrigerator with. So my water is just Dawn dishwashing liquid and a little vinegar. Well, a lot of vinegar. And I also added a cap full of Clorox. Not too much, just a cap full to disinfect everything. So I just wanted to pop in and let you know that. And also, remember to follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. So look for me there, and also check out my blog. Yes, because it's all about organization all the time. So if you're looking to organize a room, a closet, dresser drawers, or whatever, you can find that over there. And there are also checklists over there as well for daily cleaning and that sort of thing. So be sure to check that out at clearissacoward.com. I must say that there was a big difference in the shelves that I wipe down every week, and the drawers of the refrigerator and the shelves on the door, they were a hot mess. I had to scrub some of those. I guess things were spilling and I didn't realize it. So yeah, so that's what took a while. Wiping down the inside shelves was not that bad, because like I said, I do it once a week, but the other shelves on the door and the drawers were a hot mess. I wonder how so much stuff gets into the refrigerator. I just don't understand, but that's kind of like dust, right? You dust today and then you look tomorrow, windows are closed, everything. Where does the dust come from? You just, it's just one of those things you wonder, right? Or I do. So friends, I hope you're enjoying this. I hope it's inspiring you. It made me feel really, really good when it was done. It always does when you clean something out like that. Makes me feel really like I've accomplished something, I guess I should say, when it's done. And I want to thank you for riding with me while I do this. And I hope that you will find it interesting enough or inspiring enough to maybe give your refrigerator a good once over for the summer. Now's the time to clean refrigerators and freezers, because it's time to harvest vegetables or check out your local farmers market and to fill your freezer for the winter. So now's a good time to do that. But at any rate, I hope that you're enjoying the video. And I'm going to stop talking now and let you know that I'm going to wish you all a very good and happy weekend. I hope that you will all stay safe. Remember, to my ride or dies, I love you, I love you, I love you. And if you're new here, I'm glad you're here, and I hope you'll stay. And for you new subbies, I see you, and I am glad that you are here. Stick around and let's just get to know each other. Leave me comments below, subscribe, and share the video, and leave me a big thumbs up as well. All of that helps my channel immensely and is greatly appreciated. So guys, I'm going to stop talking and let you know that I'll see you in the next video and go back to cleaning. Stick around till the end and get some close-up photos like I normally do. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
And now your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you. Yeah. Wasted. alone. You're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby. Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work.